Day 2 hotel breakfast. Kelly had the PB&J cookie from my Volume 1 cookbook. She said it's one of her favorite recipes, so fudgy and delicious. And then I had the latte upside down mug cake, and it was frozen, and then I thawed it. Then we stopped at some thrift stores, and let me show you my favorite things to find there. I go straight to the cooking section because I can find great dishes, some baking dishes at really good prices, things like these. And then you can find large glasses for parfaits, because you know when we have a parfait, we need it pretty big. They have some good silverware things to pick from, some cooking gadgets. It's always a treasure to see what you could find here. I have found all of my makers and a lot of my pans here. You can check each one, see what shapes you like, and I have never gotten one that's broken. Some of them even say tested. I got my favorite waffle makers here also. Then they have pots and pans. I've gotten some of my favorite muffin pans, and look at these cute star ones. I didn't get these because I have ones quite like them, but these are really nice. No scratches. Look at this nice. You could make like an omelet in this. And look, they even had donut makers, and they're great prices instead of getting them online. So thrift stores are definitely the way to go. Look at this cute spice rack. Then it was time for lunch, veggies again, and yes, using my chopsticks. And these are the pecan latte blueberry blondies that I made in bulk. And then Mom had a beautiful parfait, yum, with yogurt, berries, and peanut. Then we went on a tour of the museum and the capital of North Dakota. It was quite fun. They had this cute little teepee. Many great attractions to see here. Then right next door, they had the Capitol building at the very top. There's a lookout. We didn't go there this time. It was so windy walking over, we almost got knocked over. Then it's time for dinner. We found a fabulous Chinese buffet, and they had the Mongolian grill. Tons of options at Chinese. Now you never know what's in the sauce, but you do the best you can. Yum! Grilled veggies, and they had like some sausage and some really thin beef. And my favorite are the baby corn. That's it for day 2. Thanks for watching.